this is our hole. It's quite spectacular, if I do say so myself. This is our basement. So right now I'm in the laundry room / mechanical room. Over there we have a bathroom. 2 bedrooms. One here, one back here. And then this here is the family room. Just gonna walk out back there. So this is the aftermath of all the rain that we got. It's a little bit squishy. Today is Saturday, and by Monday, if it doesn't rain anymore, we should be proceeding to our insulated concrete forms for our basement walls. Today is probably the first truly beautiful summer day that we've had so far. And look what we have here. We have a basement floor. Okay, oh my God.
I'm gonna go down there.
We just got here to check on the progress. And like, we have walls. What? Okay, I'm totally freaking out right now. It's amazing. Welcome to our house. You come in here. Over here, this is the front entrance area. Closet. Sliding reclaimed wood barn door. We got living room. 2-story space with a fireplace over here. Stairs to go upstairs. Stairs to go to the basement. Bathroom with clawfoot tub. And then back here, we got the kitchen and the dining room and the view. I don't know if everybody who builds a house gets as excited at each little stage as I do. I've been working on a house for this piece of land for 8 years. Not this exact design, but I mean every little moment counts for me. Look it up there.
Like a house.
So we are currently in the loft, which is going to be mine and Devin's room until the girls are old enough to move out of the master bedroom, which is over there, and they're going to move into the basement. Of course it's going to storm, because it storms pretty much every day. I should back up so you guys can see a full back view of the house. Although I don't know what's going to happen if I step here. Oh, that's soft. Yep, that's very soft. I always like the idea of building up instead of out. All this area, and this is what it was like when we bought it. It was open like this. And let's go inside. Violent is up there, guys. Oh my God. Ah! Holy crap. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I should probably go. Devin and his dad have been like really hard at work. How's it going down there?
Long, wet.
Yeah. Dirty. The year of mud. Look at that stunning metal roof. When I redesigned the house the last time they redesigned it, I made the footprint, like the square footage of the house, smaller so that we were able to afford the metal roof and what is going to be on top of the metal roof right here and on top of the shed dormer there. And that's where our solar panels are going to be, because this is the south-facing side of our house. Woohoo! It's pretty fluffy looking in here. I was talking with my builders about the insulation that they normally use. And I suggested that if they didn't normally use this brand, this is Owens Corning EcoTouch. This, I actually had asked them if they could, and then they said, we actually already use that. So yeah, that's really exciting. All right, so here we are. Siding done, trim done. I'm gonna walk around so you can see the whole finished exterior. Still no solar panels yet. So today we've got a painting party going on. We've got some light fixtures, and I'm also going to be painting this barn door. So I just had to take a break from my paint-a-thon to run over to the house because the cabinet guy is installing our cabinets. I'm just so excited. Like, can you guys tell? I think you could probably tell. I'm just really excited. But anyway, I just thought that I would walk to this part of the land. So if you watched my old land tour from 2017, that was when our house was going to be at the other location on our land, which is up in here. Choice moving it just because I was so attached and in love with the other part of the property. So yeah, we want to make sure that our relationship is a two-way and that we are benefiting from the land and the land is benefiting from us, which is why we moved over here, because as you can see, this beautiful sunlight shining onto the house right now. I cannot wait for our solar panel. No more mud because we have snow. The roof with the snow on it. Okay, I just unlocked the door. Here we go. Here's the reveal. Ta-da! Oh my god, that floor is just stunning. Look at our stairs! I'm so high-pitched. Da 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 da. We have solar panels!
Can't you come up here?
I'm coming! So apparently the reason that they were so delayed coming was because they were doing a massive project in southern Alberta to provide solar to, you know, thousands and thousands of homes. It's pretty exciting. They're finally here. So I just got a call from our builder and we are getting the keys in like a half an hour for our house. It's ready to be ours and I am freaking out. It's been like quite a ride. It's been a long ride, but it's been quite a ride. And I mean, it's only going to continue after we move in, of course. When you first walk in, we've got our mudroom over here to the left. The couple who lives in a nearby city to us, they make things out of reclaimed pallets, and so they made us this door, another door, and they made us our two vanities, and they also made us the kitchen island. So we turn. We got the living room over here to the right. To the bathroom. There is our antique clawfoot bathtub, which brings me so much joy. So much joy. All of our faucets in our house are low flow. Okay, so we're gonna go to the kitchen next. This is the dining room. Never looks this clean. So I'm just like quite like taken aback by the cleanliness of my own kitchen. Here we go, upstairs. So you come up to the top of the stairs. This is where Devin and I sleep. I just want to show you these knobs over here. This is our closet. These were from my grandma's house that actually was torn down when my mom saved them, so I had them installed here. My daughter's room. Here's the view out this window. Here's the basement. Time to go to the basement. Let there be light. Okay, bathroom. Let's show you this first. Here it is. And here's our shower, which our whole family is like obsessed with the shower. It's like being in a spa. That's a low flow shower head. Oh, and we have heated floors in here, which we control right here. And then because it is electric, then when the solar panels are generating power, then the floors are heated by the sun. Let's go to the first bedroom. Right, the sun's going down, so it's getting a little dark. I'm gonna turn the light on. This room here, as you can see, it's kind of like a music room office. Over here, we have the second bedroom. We affectionately call this the room from hell, which is terrible because it's such a beautiful bedroom. Here, I'll insert. This is what it looked like before it was 100% finished, before we had moved in. But we currently use it as just a storage, so it's really messy. This room is definitely a work in progress. Kind of just inherited our old furniture. And then the last room to show you is the laundry room. Okay, our washer and our dryer, they are compact ones. People always like to say, like, oh, it's so nice to have a brand new house, you know, everything's done, you don't have to do anything, you just move in and enjoy, but it's not really mine and Devin's style. We like projects, so there'll be lots of projects to follow. You just stay tuned.